Hi guys, I just wanted to share a little project with you that I've started. I'm just trying to construct some steps onto an existing little patio, and I'm wanting to do a little traditional Spanish brick wall. It's just going to be open with V-shaped bricks in between. This is a start, just getting a little plinth levelled off, and then I'll show you once we get some of the rustic bricks laid. As you can see, I've started to get the pillars up. I'm using a red rustic brick. I am using a bit of dye in my cement. Use a little bit of yellow dye just to take the silverness off when it dries. The pillars are only 2 bricks thick, so unfortunately, because the bricks are different sizes, very rustic, you do struggle with getting your vertical plumb lines. But it all adds to the charm. And then I've just set up how I'm going to run the centres in to make sure it works, and obviously we tie that in as we go up to give it some strength, and I'll show you when I've done a bit more. As you can see, I've finished the wall, this section. I think it's turned out pretty good. I've still got a few slabs to lay for the steps, but yeah, really pleased how that's turned out. Something if you do decide to have a go at this, something to bear in mind: anything terracotta, bricks, slabs, really soak them, because if not, you'll have problems. They'll just dry your mortar out too quick, and then they won't bind properly. But yeah, really happy with how that's turned out. So like I say, I'm not a bricklayer. I just like to practice. So I'm sure it's not perfect, but the satisfaction you get out of it once you have a go, and why not try and do some jobs yourself. Please like and subscribe, and there'll be more videos to come. Thanks, bye.